here is how we can turn on the screen mirroring on the iPhone. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So be part of the Foxtecc community and let's get into it. So you can just be anywhere on your phone, and when you swipe down from the top right of the display, you can see we get to the control center. And the icon, which are like these two rectangles on the top of each other, this is the screen mirroring. So if you tap on it, it's going to show you the devices which are currently available. So it might be an Apple TV or some kind of regular smart TV, whatever, but you can click on it and go through it. It might ask you for some verification, so you might need to type in a code from the TV or whatever it asks you to do. You kind of like have to do it, and then the whole screen, like every single thing that you are doing, is like being mirrored on the screen for for everyone to see, I guess. You can click on it and stop mirroring to go back to the normal state, and that's basically it. So that is if you want to show everything on your screen as you are moving between apps, notifications, and so on. But when you go to the Photos app, for example, let's say you want to show a video and screen mirror just one video only. What you would do in this case is that you would make the video go on full screen, tap on share, and click on the AirPlay button. What this is going to do is that it's going to pull up basically the same available devices. So you can choose the same Apple TV or Smart TV, and you can mirror this video only. So it's not like the notifications are going to appear, or when you leave the app, it's not like you're going to show your home screen or anything else. You are only playing that video on the TV. So that's like a bit of a different thing. It's not full screen mirroring, but that's just only sharing stuff. But I guess I had to mention that as well because a lot of people use it to like share their photos and stuff. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below, like what exactly you plan on using this with. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and I will hopefully see you later in the future uploads, only if you subscribe. So do that, and I'll see you later.